Hi friends! So if you are not on Zoom today, make sure to click the link to watch today's lesson. After you watch the lesson, you are going to read the directions and I will show you what that looks like. So you'll click Add Response and you are going to fill out the K and the W portion of your KWL chart. So on Wednesday, you're going to look at the cover of this book, Plants Can't Sit Still. You're going to fill out what you know about the topic in the K section. What I know in the K section. What do you know about plants? And then you're going to fill out what you know, what you want to learn about the topic in the W section. So you're going to fill out what you know and what you want to know. And that's all you're going to do for today. You are not doing the L, what I learned part, yet. That's why this box that says stop, this is for Thursday. You'll do that on Thursday. You are only doing the K and the W. What you already know about plants, what you want to know about plants. And when you're finished, you'll click the green check. Your teacher will check your work and send it back to you. So that way you will still have access on Thursday to the L column. So do not do this box until Thursday.